Okay. Ooh. It's kind of pepperminty at first. It's burning my nose. What is it? It's making me see.
Okay, get out the camera. It smells good.
If anyone can guess what I am, my partner is in here, but he's gonna be a pig. Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Tomar con un poquito más de seriedad. No se trata solamente de cuándo se ha litigado, sino de cómo se ha hecho. Nosotros hablamos de cómo se ha hecho. Si la vara de medida es...
This is me cosplaying what people across the room see when they stare at me.
Stream de Rivis. Hola, hola, hola. Bueno, a lo que les decía, o sea, no estoy muy acostumbrada a traer como que lentes tanto tiempo. Ay, ya sé nadar, espérenme.
$11.
Excuse me, she pissed me off.
Bless you.
Excuse me. I would constantly have to restart my phone to even see previous messages. My gosh. Oh my gosh. So it came in today and I'm so excited. I've never bought from Apple directly.
It must be...
Bio is not for me. Pakken. Even ten. Oké. 10, 12, 14, 16. 18 opdrachten.
Es verdad, esa hay que hacer el arroz ya comimos, ya el arroz está cerrado.
That's so nasty.
お腹すいた。でもみくちゃんまで我慢。もちろんケミン大好き。なんかさ、秋って花粉があるんだってこと最近知った。
花粉すごいよね。
うん、やばい。
Greasy. Yesterday I went out with a ponytail because I was like, my hair is greasy. I cannot leave it down. But I probably could have gone out with it down. Bless me.
I fear my butter is not softened quite enough. I don't know. It's a lot harder than it looks. They make it look so easy on TikTok. Dude, holy cow. Jeez. These spices are a lot.
저는 바질 토마토 크림치즈 베이글이요. 그리고 저는
Ooh, I have to sneeze.
No, I actually fucking love milk so much. Like,
Por favor. No tengo los planos a no ser você. Sem passeio por mim.
Holy shit.
My Husband by Ray.
Here's My Husband by Mitchell on Amazon Music.
Hey Alexa, play Where is Alexa.
Hashu.
Itchy.
I'm gonna try it first to see if it's sweet enough or has enough. I added almost all of it. I might as well just add the rest of it. I'm gonna put more water in here. Also, I kind of want to pick y'all's brains. Me and my boyfriend live in an apartment, and like it's a no smoking apartment area.
Anyways,